Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up the Dell Chromebook 113180 and signing in with your Google account so settings sync immediately. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and plug in the original charger during initial updates to avoid interruptions. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the Chromebook can download the latest Chrome OS. This ensures drivers and security patches install. You do this now because an up-to-date system prevents later hardware and software conflicts. You next configure key system and accessibility settings to match how you work. Go into Settings and tune display brightness, touchpad sensitivity, and keyboard repeat rates so typing and navigation feel responsive. Once comfortable, decide if you need Linux apps. Enable developer mode only when necessary because it power washes the device. Make sure to set power and sleep preferences to extend battery life. Balancing screen-off timing versus convenience avoids frequent recharges and keeps performance consistent during daily use. You finish by installing the apps you rely on and setting up backups so work is never lost. Add Chrome extensions and Android apps where supported, then enable Google Drive Sync and an occasional local backup to an SD card or external drive. That protects files if you need to power wash. If something goes wrong and the device won't boot, try a hard reset first. Then create a USB recovery image to reload Chrome OS. This fixes corrupted systems without hardware repair in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.